This is Tali from Planet Heart Garden. Just wanted to give you a little bit of the reason that I got into gardening. How did this happen? I did create a planet made of hearts. I am the inventor of the heart hand gesture. I will show you my heartling, which is really funny because he's the original. He was a gardener back when I was in college. So in my back of my mind, my main cartoon character was a gardener, but this is years before I started. So then I was a mom, had no time for the garden whatsoever. And then one day my dad brought a loquat that he grew from seed and told me to plant it. I think I probably had the gardener stick it in the ground. It died. So another time he grew another loquat from seed, and he said if I kill it, it'll be the last loquat he'll give me. So I remember really caring and really trying. That's what started me doing research. I finally started researching about loquats, and it still died. It's before I met, Green Life Nursery and learned all the information that apparently they have a taproot, that they're so sensitive, and you can only plant them in the fall. Standing next to my beautiful loquat that survived. Okay, so then my dad was coming to visit, and I'm very honest, I don't lie, but and I did tell the truth. But right before that, I bought another loquat. I paid $90 before I knew about Green Life. So I bought one from somewhere in California, and they shipped it right away. And I was careful. I think I must have cut the bottom, where you make the hole and you cut the circle around, and then you move the pot carefully, and that one fruited. And then I went away on vacation, and my friend was house sitting, and she sent me videos of the baby fruits. It was doing well, and then I came back and they were all dead. That has nothing to do with how I planted it. That had to do with someone pulled chemicals all exactly in there. I don't know if it was a mean person or a clueless person, I don't know, but it was there was gray powder all around, and the tree was poisoned. And then for years, anything I tried to grow there, I couldn't. I tried to put vegetable. I tried to see if the place was clean enough, and I couldn't plant anything there. So now that spot is doing okay, and I've got that orange chocolate in there. But I've just always wanted a loquat, and Green Life Nursery has so many varieties, but I picked the Yehuda loquat. I planted it in the fall. I did everything the way you're supposed to. I chose a new location that had never had, in all my 21 and a half years of living here, nothing's ever, we saw a stump. We saw a stump when we bought this, so something died here. But, so this was new territory that I really need to work on this area. This is my canvas to still work on. And so anyway, I planted it in the fall 2024. I used this to protect it from the sun, and I've been letting the lemon kind of grow and give it extra protection. And it's so far so good. All my pool man knows not to pour any chemicals. This is my baby and Yehuda, so I'm looking forward. I did all kinds of research. I wish I could have more varieties, but look at the brand new blooms. Don't want to count my chickens before they hatch, but pretty optimistic that I'll finally get a loquat. My dad has 2 in his yard, but they're just he just kind of grew from seed. He doesn't get into the specific cultivars like I'm now doing, and it doesn't grow true to seed. And so now I'm looking forward to this. So that's the story. FYI, this is some of my designs. This is oversized, but I designed this. I have I sell them, Super Love, and also heartmydollars.com. So I have some online stores that sell it, and I have some books with this pattern to color in. All right, thank you.